Hi guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Today I have a very special unboxing of an RTX 4080 and it's an AIB version. Let's get this started. Unfortunately, this is how it came in, so not very happy with UMart. UMart is it's a company here in Australia where you can buy computer parts from. They're pretty good to deal with, but whomever packed this didn't do a careful enough job. So it's come in quite a bit banged up. Look at that. Look at all this. And look at over here. So that's very poor packaging for something that they have charged $1,800 for. Now, granted, they were the cheapest at the time when I purchased it. Everyone else was selling an AIB of the 4080 for around $2,000, but this is still not good enough. Let's look at the box. It's beautiful. It's a PNY GPU, not too shabby at all.